Happy New Year's and welcome to the new decade. So, with what I have to offer so far, a lot of my followers know that I'm a natural hair specialist, I'm a dancer and a fashion designer. But what I wanted to take further is helping my community and helping the young black girls with taking care of their hair. At the end of every month, I'm going to open up a mentorship where I teach young girls how to comb row their own hair, how to look after it, how to wash it, and how to braid it. So with the style I've done today, you'll see a video clip on the end. I've braided the front, but a few weeks ago, probably just over a week ago, I've done the box braids at the back and I've added the beads. And then what I do with the front is I'll change the style, I'll wash it, and just, switch it up. A flyer will be released in a few days with all the information. The venue will be in my home salon. So it's just, we have 3 seats set up with mirrors and we have all the equipment you need. And what we're gonna do is teach you how to braid your hair, how to comb row it just like this, how to add extensions on, how to do beadwork, and basically teach you how to look after your hair without any help of anybody else. So we can start and form independent ladies, and from this you'll be able to do hair on other people. Now my story is I started doing hair when I was about 9 or 10 by learning how to comb row on my own hair, and then I applied that skill on my friends and family, and then my mom later perfected my skills with precise parting, patterns and everything like that. So I just wanted to pass my knowledge on to you guys, the young black queens in Nottingham, which is the city that I'm from. And I just wanted to say that this mentorship / workshop is completely free. There's going to be no profits made from this. I'm just doing it off my own back because my spirit is taking me to do this, and I've been thinking about it for a few months now. So I'm just going to go for it, and hopefully we get some new independent queens who can do what they want, literally. So the flyer will be out in a few days to a week with all the information. It will be a first come first serve basis. I can only accommodate to 3 girls, so if you're really interested, just please let me know, and hopefully in a few months time I'll be able to expand and accommodate to even more young black queens. Take care. Bye.